Please come to Boston for the springtime. I'm staying here with some friends and they've got lots of room. You can sell your paintings on the sidewalk by a cafe where I hope to be working soon. Please come to Boston, she said no. Would you come home to me? And she said, hey, rambling boy, now won't you settle down? Boston ain't your kind of town. There ain't no gold and there ain't nobody like me. I'm the number one fan of the man from Tennessee. Please come to Denver with the snowfall. Move up into the mountains so far that we can't be found. And throw I love you echoes down the canyon. And then we lie awake at night till they come back around. Sorry. Please come to Denver. She said no. Would you come home to me? And she said, hey, rambling boy, now won't you settle down? Denver ain't your kind of town. There ain't no gold and there ain't nobody like me. I'm the number one fan of the man from Tennessee. Oh, and then there's a bridge.
And there's a bridge, for real.
And then it goes, now the shifters will go round and round, and I doubt that it's ever gonna stop. But of all the things I've lost or found, and all that I ain't got, I still need to lean to somebody I can sing to. Please come to LA to live forever. California life alone is just too hard to build. I live in a house that looks out over the ocean. And there's some stars that fell from the sky. They're living up on the hill. Please come to LA. She just said no. Boy, would you come home to me? And she said, hey, rambling boy, now won't you settle down? LA can't be your kind of town. There ain't no gold and there ain't nobody like me. Oh no, I'm the number one fan of the man from Tennessee. I'm the number one fan of the man from Tennessee. Yeah. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Until next time, Effie and Jeffy signing off.